So good na program nila karon diri sa Subabasbas Elementary School ng
Sa Basbas
City. Ang ilang program na Mr. and Miss Valentine. Sa mga kabataan, kinder to up to grade 6. Banhaan ako
Good day, everyone!
Very good.
Tata, kumbaga si Mami JP, good day too.
Mapaso ni sila karon no, mga candidates o Valentine's
To our respected
2026.
teachers, supporting parents, distinguished judges, and of course, to our beautiful and handsome learners. A pleasant welcome to our Mr. and Miss Valentine celebration. Today,
Uy,
we gather to celebrate not only charm and confidence, but also the true meaning of Valentine's Day.
akong
The
mga
love,
og pag-umangkot.
kindness,
Mahatag sila ng
respect,
bulak sa
and
ilang
friendship. This event provides our young learners an opportunity to showcase their talents, creativity, and self-confidence in a wholesome and meaningful way. Our candidates have worked hard to prepare for this special occasion. Their courage to stand before us reflects
So, nagsugod na sila no, ang ilang
determination
program,
and
no?
school pride.
So, may buo na to karon.
It has
Inside
encouraged
ang
them
panimong
with
Mr.
our warm
and
support
Miss
and
Valentine
appreciation.
2026.
As we enjoy this
So, di pa ko
program,
kauli ani wa pa ko
may
panito
we
mga kalula
remember
pero ako lang ni ang
that
kontahon
true
kay
beauty comes
mga
from a
ako di pa
kind
ni mauli.
heart,
So, naa sila
good
event
character,
food na muhatag silang
and
flower
respect for
sa ilahang
others.
candidate.
May
Hindi
this
na ko nakita kung
celebration
kung
strengthen camaraderie among our pupils and promote positive values within our school community. On behalf of the organizers, the grade 5 teachers, and of our school principal,
Ako mga puwi ilis.
I warmly
Di man
welcome
paulion sa maestra.
everyone and wish
si
us
Piuta,
all
si
a
Ella, di na
joyful
paulion
and
kay
successful Mr.
sila yung mahatag
and
ng buwak.
Miss
Sukat sila
Valentine
kabuok, mahatag ng buwak.
celebration. Thank you and
Napili sila
God
ng
bless
mahatag.
us all.
Ang pong kinder ni ako diri. So, mali karon no? Okay, sige. Kung ano, thank you for watching. God bless.